So I had a client come to me this past week, a buyer client, and said, "Hey, Alex, I want to go buy a property and I'm going to get it for 30 to 50% off market." I said, "Well, wait a minute, where is this coming from?" They said, "Well, I saw it on Zillow. I saw it on Zillow that I can buy these things." And so they sent me some addresses and none of it checked out. And it just got me thinking, well, where is this coming from? Where do people think they're going to buy these properties at 30, 50% off market? And because think about it, if a seller drops their price 30 to 50%, they're going to have multiple offers overnight and the price is going to get bid up to market. And the latest core inflation numbers support this theory. And let's go in and take a look. I looked up the latest inflation numbers. We're at the 24th consecutive month of inflation above 7%. The most recent CPI numbers came out and our fuel prices are up 10.5%. Rent is up for the 40th consecutive month and auto insurance was up 19%. And the longer this inflationary cycle goes on, the longer it gets baked into our economy. And the latest statistics for South Placer County, this graph I'm going to show you includes Placer, Sacramento, El Dorado County, kind of our market down here. And look what the numbers are showing us. First graph, you're looking at for sale, sold, and pending. We're doing a 2-year look back. And look at the inflation. Look how inflation is affecting the market. You can see that our market is more or less stabilized right now. And what I see is that the buyers who were just punch drunk on 3% interest rates, now they've kind of sobered up to the reality that we're at 7% today. And with these CPI numbers coming out, we're probably going to go to 9 very quickly because the target for inflation is 2%. We're at 7. The only mechanism left to get inflation down is to get us to stop spending money, and the only way they can do that is to raise our interest rates because the money supply is already way beyond what it should be. So we see that stabilization in the for sale, sold, and pending. We look at price per square foot, and you see the stabilization here. Days on market, we see it's ticked up a little bit, but look at the pending sale versus list price. It's pretty much flatlined. We're getting really what they're listed for. And then here we're looking at sold versus for sale. These lines are trending with each other, which is a good thing. We like to see that we have a stabilization in inventory. And then months of inventory. Again, we're stabilizing. So that's what I see happening in the economy. Buyers that are coming at me saying, "Hey, I'm going to get huge discounts on properties and this sort of thing." I just don't see it. I saw it a little bit as rates began to shoot up and we had some panic going on in the market, but it's just not the reality of what's going on. Again, I see that buyers are adjusting to 7% interest rates. And sellers have done the same thing. They realize that to sell their property, they can't ask 15, 20% over current market. They need to be competitive and they need to prepare their property for sale. So I hope you find this information useful. I'll put the link to this report in the description. You guys can check it out. But give me your comments. I want to know what you think. Share this with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.